Hello, good afternoon. My name is Jackie Garcia Solano, and now I am going to describe the critical incident that I had in one of my classes. This is my seventh semester doing my practices, and I am included in the Estrategia Liley program. So the idea in that Estrategia Liley is to give classes to students from our same career, from UNAD University as well, but from lower semesters. So I am in charge of giving classes to the fourth semester. So what happened? I was in one of my classes during this period, during this semester, and I was explaining comparative and superlative adjectives, how to organize sentences using the rules for comparatives and superlatives, and how to do the comparative and the superlative adjectives. Uh, Inside this explanation, I was also explaining some quantifiers, such to, enough, and well, all of this. And I was explaining all about this, about what has to do with quantifiers. And one of my students, in some point of the class, asked me about what is the difference between two and many and much. What was the difference? And although I know the difference, and I know that they have a relationship when they are countable and uncountable, uh, at that time I didn't know how to answer that question, not because I didn't know the answer, but because I was not prepared for the question. So I was like ashamed because I didn't have the answer, the right answer, in the moment, right away. So what I said to the student, how I managed the situation, was that I said to the student, well, I will search for some information about it and I will explain you later on. I solved the problem after some minutes. I search on internet and I try just to search the difference between the two quantifiers that the student was asking for, and I found out the answer I could manage. But what I learned doing a self-evaluation about this critical incident is that we have to study the topic that we are going to teach very well before starting a class. Normally, I prepare the class with the material that I need, the activities that I am going to use, but sometimes I don't study the structures and the vocabulary because I already know them, and I will explain them some specific points, so I don't pay attention to the little details. So what this critical incident taught me was that we as teachers have to prepare even the most little details, and not to have this kind of accidents and this kind of situations when giving the class. So that was my critical incident, how I managed and how I gave the solution to it. Thank you very much.